Okay, the underside of the plane. Those of you who have been to the build blog or whatever, I've heard plenty of the naughty things said about it. Any case, what do they say when you're golfing? It's drive for show, putt for dough. You know, the top of this is obviously show, and the bottom makes the wind flow. I don't know. A couple things I did is I made an access hatch up front here, mostly because I wanted to make sure that I had an easy access to the front retract and the steerable gear and whatnot, and also gives me a chance if I ever need to do anything in terms of adding weight or whatnot. I think it just opens it a lot more. So, and they're just held in place by earth magnets. I did the same as a rear hatch originally with the intent of embedding all of the this is the last thing I still need to cover over this with some colored tape, but I was going to embed the servos, the elevator and rudder servos here within the back, but ultimately just decided to not do that. But it still was nice because it made wiring a lot easier, and again, I have easy access if I ever do need to switch anything out. And you can see that that thing just clamps on, or sticks on there pretty nice. I did put these guys on. I need to paint these so that it kind of hides it. My issue was that you can see here the upper half of the fuselage is constant all throughout, and I have, you know, need to tighten that up a little bit more with the screws. I've got carbon fiber running all through here. Again, I didn't know how much torque was going to get put both on right here on the back aspect of the wing box as well as right here, and so I went ahead and just put these little plastic tabs that are velcroed in place. Hopefully that if I have a hard front landing or whatever reason, it won't put too much torque and rip this thing apart in the air. The UBC comes with a little LED that's sticking out of the bottom there to beep it or to flash it low voltage. The retract bay here, again, first major build, and I didn't know really how to do the gear doors, as opposed to KFC 747, which is just like a piece of artwork. Next go around on the Dreamliner, I will definitely take some time, learn how to do that, make some mock-ups, etc. But it works. What else? Everything, all these are solid foam wings, so everything is just channel in them. This is just that covered tape that you get from the hobby shop. It covers all the channels. So the nice part about that versus, say, a hollow wing with everything run inside is I do have very easy access to all the servos and also to all the wiring, making the servos and the servo hat or ports, or you know, bays, whatever you want to call them, was really easy with a low power Dremel. That was one of the nice things. These guys, the pylons, they're actually made out of a solid, I can't remember whatever is one step heavier than balsa, but still pretty nice and light. I just went that route. Again, you can see the nacelles here. I didn't cut off the under tabs just because, hey, you know, stuff happens. If this thing were to happen to crash, etc., I could still use it and put those onto something else. I secured them in place with just a little bit of white caulk, which actually worked pretty well. Again, you can see the fan blades on there. So I showed you the rear hatch, I showed you the front hatch. Again, you can kind of get a good idea from underneath about how everything looks. The gears took quite a bit of time to get all lined up. What else? This, yeah, this is total high quality. This is actually a Diet Cherry Dr. Pepper can, inside out, painted, and have some vents in there. I've got 2 ESCs in both of these. The DX7 is not happy there. And other than that, I've just got, you can see for the screw ports right here, I've got these little guys that I had made during it that basically just go in and just Velcro in place, so you can keep them in flight. They have a little tab to pull them out. So that is pretty much it. My next video is going to be of this thing flying and hopefully landing fine. Wish me luck, and shoot any questions you have my way. Again, I don't pretend to be a pro, and there's a lot of good people out there that have helped out quite a bit on this. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions on it. Thanks.